Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Asad and welcome to this class series where we will learn Python for everyone. Python is an interesting language because a lot of companies, I would rather argue almost all the companies, use Python to do their daily jobs, automating the processes, and use it for artificial intelligence. In this series, we will learn different functions of Python. So by the end of this series, you should be able to learn the Python syntax, which means the code, be able to execute it, and be able to debug it as well. I'm very much excited for you to join this particular class, and we will get started with this one. To write, execute, and debug a Python code, you need two things. One, an interpreter itself. If I have spelled it right, I don't think so I spelled it right, but anyhow, for that I need Python. And another one we need is called IDE. Now what are IDE? IDE are basically integrated development environment. Now this IDE basically allows you to use Python to write your code, execute your code, and debug your code when it is required easily. Now you have a lot of options for IDEs, but for this particular series we will be doing using something called PyCharm. So in this particular video we'll download two things. One, Python for Windows, another one, PyCharm. Now if you're on a different system such as Mac or Linux, please follow accordingly. I'll simply go to my Windows. I'll click PyCharm for Windows. I'll have the first link here. Click on this one and select the system accordingly, whether it is Windows, Mac, or Linux. Then I'll download the community version, not the professional version, because community version is free and you can do almost everything in the Python development. I'll click on the download one. It will ask me where do I want to save the file, and you can do it accordingly. The second thing that I need to download is Python. For that I can again click Python for Windows. Click on the first link, go to the download bar and click the latest version here. Once you click that, it will automatically download this one for you as well, depending on where you set your location. Pause the video and download these two files before we proceed to it. If you have successfully downloaded these two files, you should see two setup files like this. The first, I'll open the Python one by double clicking it. Make sure to select this add Python to the path and then install now. Now you should have been able to successfully install Python in your system. The next thing that is required is the PyCharm, which is an IDE. We'll double click on the PyCharm here. It will ask me the admin rights if I have an admin account on my system, which I have. Press yes. Keep pressing next until you press install, and it will automatically install the PyCharm in your system. If you are able to do that, you should successfully install PyCharm in your system. If you're having any problem at all, please do comment on the video and then we shall discuss the problem and be able to help you out to download the PyCharm. The whole point of learning Python is not doing everything perfectly, rather making mistake and then knowing why that mistake happens, and then you be able to rectify it. That is the learning curve in a Python. Anyhow, if you are able to do it, it will finish the setup soon and then it will ask me whether do I want to open it or do I want to close it, the setup or things like that. So let me just simply wait a few seconds more. There you go. I'll select Run PyCharm Community Edition, press enter, the finish bar. It will ask me whether I want to import the setting or not. I don't want to import it, so press OK. And it will take a minute or so to open the PyCharm for the first time. If you are able to reach this window, congratulations. You have successfully downloaded the PyCharm and Python into your system. If not, again, please comment it and we shall discuss the problem you have and be able to rectify that for that problem. If you have done it, the task for this video is please subscribe the channel so any video that comes into this series you would get a notification for it. Like the video and then comment whether you have successfully downloaded Python and PyCharm so I know which one of you have done it and which one of you are still struggling. Up till then, thank you very much for watching the video. Take care and goodbye.